unspoiled, untamed, where land and sea collide. This is Ireland's last frontier against a marauding Atlantic. This is where you can journey along our nation's soul. This is the Wild Atlantic Way. So come with us on the way to a road trip of a lifetime, stretching 2,400 kilometers along Ireland's western seaboard. The Wild Atlantic Way is the longest defined coastal drive in the world. It is a journey shaped and inspired by the invading sea, by the defiant land that battles it, and by the native Irish that enrich this unique region. Along a route that travels from Donegal in the north to Cork in the south. It's a journey where wild, raw beauty is your constant companion, punctuated by world-famous views that will take your breath away. Amidst this wilderness, the Irish have long worked and played, and you can join and share with them in their creativity, in their history and native Irish language, in their pastimes, in their independence born of the land and sea. This is a journey to and through the Ireland you imagined. This is the wild, magnificent Ireland of your dreams. This is the way to a trip of a lifetime. This is the Wild Atlantic Way. Join us for a journey that will stay with you forever.